In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. This is a straightforward process, but if you're new to Windows 11 or just want to ensure you're doing everything correctly, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive into it. First things first, to make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11, you'll need to open your Windows settings. You can do this easily by pressing the Start button on your keyboard. Once you've done that, a search bar will appear where you'll type the phrase Default Apps. This will take you directly to the section of the settings that manages which programs are set to handle different functions on your computer. Now look for a search bar within the Set Defaults for Applications section. Here, type in Chrome. After typing, you should see Google Chrome appear as a result. Click on this result to open the settings specific to Chrome. With Google Chrome's settings open, you'll notice a section at the top of the page that gives you the option to make Chrome your default browser. Specifically, there should be a button labeled Set Default right next to the prompt, Make Google Chrome your default browser. Go ahead and click this button. Congratulations, you've just set Google Chrome as your default browser. This means that any web links you click in other programs will now open in Chrome by default, making it much easier to streamline your online activities if you're already accustomed to or prefer using Chrome over other browsers. Let's talk about why you might want to make Chrome your default browser. Perhaps you enjoy using Chrome for its speed, or maybe you appreciate the variety of extensions it offers. Whatever your reason, having it as your default browser ensures that your preferred environment is what you see whenever you venture online. Also, Chrome offers seamless integration with other Google services, which can be handy if you're already using Gmail, Google Drive, or other Google applications. If you ever need to change your default browser to another option later, you can always return to the same Default Apps section in your Windows settings. It's a simple process, similar to what we've just gone through. That's all there is to it. Making Google Chrome your default browser is a quick and easy way to personalize your Windows 11 experience and ensure that your internet habits are as efficient as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any additional questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day exploring the web with your new default browser, Google Chrome.